south side of Chicago. And when she first brought me back in '94, down in the basement of her childhood home, I found an old guitar. She said that was my great Uncle Bill's. I guess he left it to my dad. And I remember after Bill lost his Kentucky farm, that Gibson was all he had. But he said, I'm not scared of the changing world, or losing anything we are. 'Cause I wave high, distant good times every time I play that guitar. For 11 quiet years after Bill passed on, that L1 I guess had waited for me. 'Cause it rang one brilliant chord before the bridge caved in, just to let me hear what it could be. You've got to draw lines back through time to know who you really are. And every note will play right again that day when we picked up that old guitar. So it returned with us to New York, and in the hands of the moose returned to life. And the sound they made again returned Bill to my angel wife. And he said, I'm not scared of the changing world, or losing anything we are. I just wave high, distant good times every time I play that guitar. So I'm not scared of a changing world. We've lost nothing that we are. 'Cause I hear echoes of distant good times every time I play that guitar. That old guitar.
Well, my bags are all packed up. The city's got me feeling down. Swear I'm taking the next train out of town. I worked hard every day. My hair is turning gray. I do believe that I've had enough. I was holding down a job just south of Houston for a while, serving time, making someone else a dime. There ain't nothing I'd rather do than to lose those city blues. I do believe that I've had enough. I think it's high time to get moving down the line. Don't care where I'm headed, I'm highway bound for someplace. 'Cause this morning I woke up going got real tough. I do believe that I've had enough. Well, my bags are all packed up. Spent enough time on these streets. I'm gonna settle down someplace and take things a little more slow pace. No need to run me out of town. I got my feet on solid ground. I do believe that I've had enough. Yes, I think it's high time to get moving.